Please, hold on. Please refrain from making phone calls inside the train carriages. If necessary, you may use the passageway between carriages.
Names that end with C37. Here! Do you want to be the man with the camera?
Oh, sure. Okay. Wow, what a beautiful view! Gotta take lots of pictures.
Of the screen?
I know, right?
Nope. Not her.
Next is seat A07.
I like how we both snooze. We're just immediately both like, that is me, and just ran for it.
Nope, not her.